how to set out of Office in Outlook calendar. So if you want to set out of Office in Outlook calendar, then first you just need to simply open up your Outlook. Make sure to sign into your Outlook, and after that you need to go with the calendar option, which is on the top left. And here you will have your calendar, right? Now just simply select a date. I'll just simply select today's date and go with calendar and then select the date. Now you just need to simply go with new event, which is on the top left, or go with the drop down and you can select mail or event, anything that you're comfortable with. So I'll just simply go with an event and I'll just add an event. To add a title, I'll just simply go with demo. And if you want to invite the attendees, you can simply invite the attendees. I'll just simply go with 1 or 2 persons right here. And after that, if you want to go with the Skype meeting, you can enable that option and enter the date. You can simply select the date, and after that go with time from to. So you need to select both times, and then if you want to make a recurring, you can just click on it, or if you go with all day, it's your option. Now go with location. If you want to add some location to it, then you can add the location and you can write some descriptions or add some documents to it. And after that, you need to go with the top right. And if you want a private event, then you just need to simply make it private. Or if it is public, then just make it public. And if you want the reminder, then you can go with the reminder and add the reminder 5 minutes before, 15 minutes before, and everything, every option that you're comfortable with. So I'll just simply go with 5 minutes before. And if you want to allow the forwarding, then you can just go with the drop down and then allow the forwarding or request responses. After that, you can add some images or attachments to it, or emojis, GIFs, and everything. And after that, go with send, which is on the top right. And that's it. The event has been created. Now, as you can see that the event is listed right here. So that's how you can set out Office in Outlook calendar. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.